Hey, what's up guys, Abhi here, and AI is literally everywhere right now and smartphone filming is no exception. So here we have the XbotGo AI smartphone gimbal, and with this gimbal it basically eliminates the necessity of having a person to record your sports game no matter what game you're playing, because this tracks the player through AI, or you can track the ball wherever it goes. So talking about the overall build, this is made out of plastic but it is very solid. So we have the Type-C charging port on the side. Apart from that, we have the joystick which basically moves the gimbal wherever you want. Then we have the mode button and the power button. Through the mode button you can select which mode do you want. I personally like the FPV, and with the power button you can also switch the orientation of the gimbal. It can go from portrait to landscape in just a single click. On the bottom we have the branding and an LED indicator for the battery status right there. And on the side we also have a zoom slider. It also comes with this little tripod which you can just screw in case you want to just keep it anywhere. But if you want to take this a step forward and improve your filming, you can also get an extra accessory of this tripod, which is very easy to mount. You just screw it in and it is very easily retractable. You just have to pull it and it pretty much locks itself up. It has a height of 3.1 feet, which I guess is perfect for such kind of situations. So if I go ahead and mount my phone into this, it is as simple as just retracting the mount and having it ready to go. And on the back we also have a capture button. So if I just press the power button, it is now ready to go. Right now it is in FPV mode, and as you can see it is super smooth. As I mentioned, if I just press the power button, it's just gonna flip the orientation, which is absolutely cool. Once you pair it up with the XbotGo app, it unlocks all the AI functionality, gives you AI tracking. So you just have to draw a box around the subject that you want to track and then let it do its job. The tracking is pretty much 95% accurate. I was literally running all around and it still kept me in frame. It also zooms digitally in case if you go like a little far from the phone, which when you see in action is very impressive. The app can record up to 1080p and it can also live stream at the same moment, which is absolutely amazing in case if you want to share your game with your audience. So that was my pretty quick overview of this AI gimbal. You can use it without the app, but then you don't get the functionality. So if you want to just use it as like a normal vlogging gimbal, it is perfect for that as well. Right now this is in my camera arsenal because this is what I use for all my vertical content right now. That's about it for this video guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to get one for yourself, the links will be in the description box down below. Also I'll be giving one away, so make sure to drop a comment and let me know how you're gonna use this. Thank you for watching and I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.